we're seeing a growth in converged infrastructures. Essentially, a converged infrastructure is any type of infrastructure that takes two or more discrete pieces of technology and consolidates them into one information system solution. The traditional converged systems are packaged solutions. They take existing technology, consolidated into a repeatable, standardized deployment framework. The new model of converged systems take that disparate technology and converge it in a much more tightly integrated way using something called the software-defined data center. Software-defined is another way of saying virtual. This is also sometimes known as hyperconvergence. In my view, the word software-defined is a stand-in for virtual. It does mean something slightly different because when we think of virtualization, we typically think of virtual servers. But software-defined enables us to virtualize literally anything in the data center. We're trying to create a data center that's policy-driven, that's automated, that's highly virtualized, and that virtualizes elements that formerly could only be done with purpose-specific hardware. That's really the power and the promise of convergence in the future, the modern data center. So everything will be software-defined, and everything will be highly scalable and highly flexible. Things like security devices, hardware firewalls, routers and switches, VPN concentrators, servers, storage arrays, and on. All of these things will be software-defined in the modern data center. Converged infrastructure is ultimately the core concept that is going to power this innovation and technology. We as technologists are very lucky to actually be working in the field at this particular point in time when we're seeing a wave of innovation in the data center. The new technology that's become available, it's enabling us to harness the power of information technology in a way that we've never had the capability before. While it makes it a very exciting time for us as technologists, it's a very challenging time for customers right now. This landscape is very complicated. A customer might not know what's the right path. They might need a trusted advisor to help them design the right solution. That's where the converged data center practice can really step in and help customers, because we've seen these environments before. The depth of our expertise is one of the best values that we can bring to a customer. Some of our engineers have 20 or 30 years of experience in the industry. One of the things that we do for customers all the time is look at their existing environment. We can run tools in the environment, and we can have workshops with the IT department and the business stakeholders. We can help guide the customer down the path as a trusted partner toward the right solution. Then we can also help customers with implementing those solutions. So the converged data center practice is focusing on bringing these types of technologies to businesses and organizations of all sizes. And we have specialists in this area that are expert in not only the traditional standard data center technologies, such as disk arrays, virtualization, private cloud, and so forth, but also are specializing in the new coming types of converged data center technologies. We've seen this kind of change over time, and we understand it, and we've kept on the forefront of technology. So that enables us to be able to guide the customer to the right solution.